to the elevator at the Cherry Avenue garage at the University of Arizona in Tucson, Arizona. Oh, it's up at the top. It was on 4. 3. And there's a bell. No bell. Let's go up to 4.
Oh, this is AC.
Yeah. Yeah, this is air conditioned. Let's go up to 4. Installed in the 2000s, probably. Here we are on 4.
Or modernized, or like completely replaced.
Yeah. Let's go down to 1 and get our cab view. Capacity 2,500 pounds. Adam's Fixtures. And here we are on 1. Here we are on the first floor. Let's watch ours. And here it goes. Anyways, that's it.